How to move multiple parts at the same time. For example, if you have a tree and you want to move this tree to another location, how can we do it? If you just click on one part, let's say I'm clicking here on the ball part, in the Explorer view, you can see the ball is active, selected. And now if I move it, only the ball moves. But the stick, which is also part of the tree, did not move. And in order to stick to move, I also have to select the stick and move that one also. So that's how you can move them, but that's not moving them at the same time. And if you have a lot of parts, or if you have many parts, like let's say if you have a house can consist of many parts. You don't want to move it one by one. So the question is how we can move multiple parts at the same time. The way you can do it, the most simplistic way how we can do it, I'm going to show you two ways how to do it. So pay attention. The first way how to do it is in this 3D view. I'm going to put down my mouse left click, and now I do this drag selection motion. And you can see now it selected all those parts in this area that I use this drag selection motion. And you can see in the Explorer view here, we have ball and the stick selected. And now if we move, both of those parts move at the same time. So that is one way how to do it. Another way, and perhaps more professional way how to do it, is if you go inside of this Explorer view, and here we have the plus button. If you click on the plus button, you can see here there are multiple many things, and we are interested in this model object. If I click the model, it appears now in this workspace. I will rename this model. I rename it by right mouse click, and I rename it a tree. And now what I'm going to do, as you can see, the model itself, the model is selected here on the left hand side, right, in the Explorer view. You cannot see that in this 3D view. Why? Because the model itself is not a 3D object. So, but what we can do now, if we can drag, we select this ball in this Explorer view, and inside of this Explorer view, I drag and drop top of this tree model. I do the same for the stick, and I drop it on this tree model here in the Explorer view, and now you can see that they are inside of this tree model. You can also collapse it if you want to, and then it's it's more space now and more organized in this Explorer view. How to move it now? Basically, you select this model in this Explorer view, and now suddenly you can see both of those are in this 3D view selected. If you look Explorer view, none ball and stick are not actually selected, only the tree is selected. But now I can move it. And cool things what you can do also is that you can copy paste those trees. For example, copy, I click paste into, and you can see a second tree appeared at the top. And now you slightly need to move them to the location where you want them to appear. So, and this way you can theoretically copy paste a lot of trees like this, and that's how you move multiple parts at the same time. I hope this video was useful, and I hope to see you in my next lesson.